So I'll be showing you how to enable and also how to disable head gestures on the AirPods 4. So you can actually use head gestures to do things like answer phone calls and or even reject phone calls. So open up the case of the AirPods 4 so that they actually connect to your iPhone. And then once they're connected, you can go into settings and launch the AirPods app. Now, once you launch that app, you can scroll down to head gestures. You can see they're off by default. Tap on that, and then to turn on the head gestures, just enable that toggle button. And there's even instructions here. So what happens when you nod your head up and down? It's going to accept incoming calls, and also you can use it to reply to messages. And then also from side to side, you can decline or dismiss phone calls. You can even have the option to try head gestures. So you can tap on that, and then you can respond to Siri by moving your head. So just tap on continue. Of course, you have to place the AirPods in your ears. Let's go ahead and do that. And then tap OK, and then now hit continue. So to nod up and down, it's just the normal nodding of the head up and down. So that's recognized. And then you have the side to side. You can just follow the instructions here. I'm moving my head, and that's it. Okay, so now when you have an incoming call, you can simply nod your head to accept, or you can nod your head side to side to decline the incoming calls. But that's just basically how to enable those head gestures. Now, if you don't want them, you can always go ahead and disable head gestures from there. Thanks for watching. You can leave your comments or any questions you might have down in the comment section. If you found this useful, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and even subscribe for more tips. And I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.